This is a 2016 Toyota Tundra that has a burned out turn signal bulb. A fast blinking turn signal indicates which side is out. Once you know which side, then you'll need to visualize whether it's the front or the rear light. In this case, it's the right front turn signal, but I will go ahead and replace both sides. Here are the new bulbs that I will be installing. A clerk at the auto parts store can help search for the right ones. Begin by opening the hood of the truck in this manner. Once the hood is opened, locate the bulb's wiring harness and plug in these locations. This one is the front right location, and this one is the front left location. Grasp the plug and press down on the protrusion with your thumb. This releases the plug from the socket as you pull at the same time. Then turn the socket counterclockwise to release it and remove from the compartment. Next, remove the old bulb from the socket in this manner. Now unpackage the new bulbs and plug the new bulb into the socket. It is recommended to handle the bulbs with gloved hands. The oils from your fingers could damage the bulb. Snap in the new bulb. It may take significant force with both thumbs to accomplish this task. There should be an obvious connection as it snaps into place. Next, install in the reverse order as it came out. Be sure to position the bulb socket with the release protrusion on top. Insert the bulb into the housing until it's seated. Then lock it into place by turning it clockwise. And finally, return the wiring harness plug to the socket. Now test the bulbs for function. You could now close the hood and the truck is ready for the road.